Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sponges that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dawn Ultra Puff Glassware and Dish Cleaning Brush. This is a special puff sponge equipped with a long handle to help you tackle some specific dishwashing jobs. For example, it could be a reliable solution when cleaning glasses or bottles. The extra long handle of the sponge is useful to let you clean some deep pots and pans. Thanks to its layered sponge head construction, this cleaning tool is able to create long-lasting lather to work more efficiently. You won't need a lot of dish soap to start making plenty of cleaning foam and fight against tough grease. The handle of the sponge is one of the best features of the tool. It provides a comfortable and stable grip which is necessary when working in such a wet environment. The integrated loop lets you hang the puff sponge for quick drying. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Full Circle Sponge. The Full Circle dish cleaning sponge can be considered a huge help in the kitchen. This is an optimal tool for making tall glasses spotless, but you can use it for other applications as well. Although it lacks a hanging loop, the handle of the tool features a flat bottom to stand up easily after use when quick drying is required. Thanks to its layered cellulose sponge design, this model offers enough cleaning power to handle different types of dirt. It's specialized in removing lipstick marks from glasses and restoring their original sparkle. The ergonomically shaped handle is crafted from comfortable bamboo that feels great to the touch and also looks very attractive. The sponge head of the tool can be changed to a fresher one whenever needed. It's built using recyclable plant-based materials to reduce plastic pollution. At number 3, we have the Scotch-Brite Non-Scratch Sponge. If you prefer the dish wand style, check out the Scotch-Brite Advanced Soap Control Sponge. It features a comfortable handle whose interior compartment can be filled with dish soap. Press the button to release it on dirty dishes and scrub easily with the help of the sponge head. Thanks to its reliable valve, the handle will not leak dish soap to ensure precise control during cleaning operations. When it comes to cleaning abilities, the sponge can handle most dishwashing jobs without problems. It can be safely used on non-stick cookware or delicate surfaces such as countertops. The scrubbing fibers are soft enough to prevent any scratching. The transparent design of the handle lets you see at a glance the current level of dish soap. All in all, the Scotch-Brite dish wand can speed up your workflow when cleaning dishes while enhancing precision and comfort. At number 2, we have the OXO Good Grip Sponge. The OXO Good Grip Sponge is designed with an ingenious soap dispensing ability in its handle. There's a hole in the center that enables the release of the dish soap by the user handling the tool. Thanks to being removable, the soap dispensing handle can be attached to other tools, such as a scrub or a brush head. You can also switch to a fresh sponge as needed. In terms of comfort, this sponge has a lot to offer. It's equipped with a pleasantly textured grip that contributes to precise maneuvering in wet environments. The handle is designed to prevent slipping, and it's long enough to let you clean dirty dishes more comfortably. Due to antimicrobial treatment, the sponge head should last for some time before it needs to be replaced. It's connected firmly to the handle, while a tight seal ensures that guarantees zero leaks to prevent a soapy mess. And finally, at number 1, we have the Aero Home Product Sponge. The Aero Home Product Sponge represents a great choice for easy cleanup around the kitchen. This is a reliable dish wand made in the USA using high-quality materials to withstand wear more effectively. The sturdy plastic handle offers an ergonomic shape, while the extra length is helpful to clean hard-to-reach spots. Dish soap can be dispensed quickly during the washing process. Thanks to a clear container design, it's a breeze to keep the handle properly filled with dishwashing liquid. The sponge head is suitable for a wide range of sensitive surfaces, while the integrated scraper gets rid of stuck bits of food. You can remove the sponge and replace it with a new one to refresh the tool's cleaning abilities. All in all, this is a well-designed dish wand that will make your life easier in the kitchen. Highly recommended for cleaning all kinds of dirty dishes. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.